$900,000.
900, 100, $1,000. Visualize $100,000.
Will Bitcoin finally hit 100K? Alright, the big question. Could this be the time Bitcoin finally breaks past 100K? Are the bulls jumping in on the dip? It's anyone's guess really, but hitting 100K isn't just a big number, it's a huge psychological milestone, as you probably know. Now imagine owning just one single Bitcoin and knowing it's worth 6 figures. Bitcoin recently shot up to 99.5K after Trump's election win.
I'm really rich.
And the hype was real. Everyone started watching altcoins, waiting for them to pump, but not all of them did. Solana was definitely a standout performer this cycle, not only earlier this year in March, but also recently. Injective hit a key level around $31, while Polkadot crossed $10, getting close to its March high, which was quite surprising given that there weren't that many users desperate to use it, and there was quite a lot of FUD around it as well. With regards to Cosmos, Atom struggled a bit like Injective, but it hasn't moved as wildly. But what's next for altcoins? Now, a lot of people in the crypto world are saying we might not see a big altcoin rally until 2025, but could they be right, or is it all just a guessing game at this point? And here's something else to keep on your radar. Starting from December 13th, Coinbase will limit stablecoin services that don't meet new European MiCA regulations, and more specifically referring to USDT here. However, USDC is safe, and this will affect retail customers of Coinbase Europe Limited and Coinbase Germany, as all the USDT services will be restricted. So just be aware that perhaps other exchanges like Kraken or Binance will also follow. So what do you think? Will Bitcoin finally hit 100K, or are we still waiting? And what altcoins are you buying or staying cautious and waiting for that big pullback to come? Let me know in the comments. Now that we're on the topic of the markets, let's not forget Solana's best perpetuals exchange, dApp.markets, with the recent testnet rollout of ZetaX. ZetaX is positioning itself as the ultimate on-chain trading platform, where transparency and security don't compromise performance. Now, after analyzing the top offerings in both CeFi and DeFi, ZetaX appears poised to set a new standard as a niche leader in crypto perpetuals trading. So what makes ZetaX stand out? It offers an on-chain exchange ecosystem which integrates an atomic order book with an advanced derivatives risk engine. It's powered by Bullet, which is Solana's first high-frequency layer 2 that enables an ultra-fast and reliable execution. It also offers innovative features such as multi-collateral support, yield-generating deposits, and extensive asset listings for greater trading opportunities. In terms of their roadmap to the mainnet for ZetaX, the testnet rollout is planned for Q4 of this year, closed beta is this month, the public testnet will be shortly after beta, and the mainnet launch is targeted for Q1 of 2025. Now, essential trading features like perpetuals, multi-collateral support, and cross-margining, as well as enhanced risk management with an improved risk engine and liquidation protocol are some of the features that they're going to launch with ZetaX. Also, revamped UI designed with power users in mind, transitioning from a mock data layer to Solana L1 by the end of the testnet. So let me know what you think. And by the way, if you want to trade on Zeta.markets, I have posted a referral link down in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. So do check that out. And if you're watching this on X, you'll find it in the comment below the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.